Instead of Angular and jQuery, can we use React also?
Sorry, React, jQuery, React. If you say, if anybody is telling what React or jQuery or what Angular, in React and jQuery is what library only, right? And Angular is framework. In between, if any technology, if people is telling to me, I will use that technology, right? Choice is yours and
Yeah.
project is mine, right? Not mine, ours. Okay,
Yes.
mine wording is not
Ours.
ours, right? Ours. Use this kind of word little bit
Yes, yes,
by
yes.
listening also, this word is looking like, okay, we are the family member, like, right?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, Ravi,
Ravi.
exactly.
Yes,
Mm,
Ravi.
so mine alone, right? That mine word, me, I, no, we, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm.
About we, right?
Yeah, so now good, so we understood, right? But the thing is, we will not write like this, we will not send, we will not use what in the real time postman, guys. So how we will use it? We are using what is that scheduling concept, right? So scheduling configuration in our project. Then every 5 second, 10 minute, midnight, in the real time midnight, 12 o'clock, we are refreshing our project, right? We are refreshing our project, right? So that time we are implementing, but what, let's implement that small things, right? Let's implement these small things in our project, and we will see that. But before that, let's write some theory part also, right? Because I will share, somebody is asked today, right? Please share that document, this document only, that person is asking, right? I hope someone is messaged me today privately, so because of that I'm preparing this document, right? So
Yes, Ravi, yes, Ravi.
now it will what is that, it will try it will try fetch key key and value which are modified, right? Modified in what is that, in config server, right? Modified in what, config server. If all keys are up to date, right? Up to date, then then nothing nothing is fetched. Up to date means what? If in what, here that key and here that key is same, then it will not fetch, guys. Okay, then it will not refresh, right? If here key is
Yes,
different
Ravi.
and here key is a old key, then what is that, our
Yes, Ravi.
endpoint will refresh this, what, refresh, our endpoint will refresh, and what will happen, this update, this key will update here in the container. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah, clear.
Okay, yeah. If anyone, right, if anyone what, are multiple keys are modified, means what, it's not meaning that only one key, because here just for the practical purpose we are seeing, right? In the real time multiple keys will be there, guys. Okay, multiple data will be there inside our git. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Multiple
Yes,
keys.
Ravi.
So how using in container we are implementing these things, right? So if anyone, right, if anyone are multiple, means what, if 1,000 keys are 1,000 properties values there, right? If in the 1,000 property value, if any one also modified or multiple also modified, right? Multiple also keys modified, then our microservices will what, update microservices, right? Update
Yes,
microservices, then the key will come.
yes, Ravi.
So if any one are multiple, it's correct, right? Multiple keys. Okay, we will talk about that key track, right? Keys are modified. Modified, then those those keys are updated, right? Updated in what? In your microservices. In your what? Microservices container. Your microservices container environment memory. Environment what? Memory, right? Environment memory. For that specific code is what is that? Re-execute. So if we want to what? If we want to water up to date, update this water, our git data, right? So for that, what we will do it now, we will call that water refresh a scope, and a refresh scope endpoint will refresh that what config server, and then the data will up to date or not. Come on guys.
Yeah.
Yes, but the question is guys, but the question is what we are doing now. In this time we are making the call using what? Postman na.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, Ravi.
but the real time we are not using this one guys. Okay, in the real time we are not using this one. What we are doing now, let's do that, right? Let's do that. So now I'm stopping all applications. Just I'm going to write one application. Okay, so now file new, take one Spring Starter project, right? So I'm giving what? Spring Cloud update refresh scope, right? Now let's give the name or project name. Spring Cloud update refresh scope, right? Now next we need one dependency guys. Okay, Spring Web dependency. We just need what? Spring Web dependency, and the next and finish. Okay, project created. Yeah, now open this one, go inside, just create one class, right? Let's create one class. Okay, here only, right? Now I'm taking one class, just what? Fetch all keys and value. Just give what? Value, right? Key and a value. Now finish. So good. So if we want to create the object of this class, then what annotation we will apply on the top of?
Controller.
Sorry,
Controller.
at the
Component,
rate
sorry.
component, because this is the class object just we are creating. Hmm. 1 minute, my system is giving what? Oh. Component. Okay, good. Inside that I'm writing one method, right? Method I'm writing. So just I'm writing what? Public void fetch data, right? Fetch data. Now inside that what I'm doing now, just okay, if we want to make that class, that method as a scheduler method, what annotation we will apply? Anyone remember it? Scheduled, don't worry, I remembered it, right? Just refresh your knowledge, and once whenever you guys are getting the time, just complete our what? Spring scheduler what? Videos.
Yes.
Yes, schedule inside Chrome.
My system, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, so good. So here what is that? At the rate scheduled, right?
Scheduler.
Schedule.
Why this one is not coming at the rate? Scheduled, right? Yeah. Inside that we need to
Yes,
give
sir.
what? Cron expression. Inside inside this one we need to give what? Cron expression, right?
Crown expressions.
Yes,
My,
Ravi.
my system is too much slow.
Crown equal to string.
Crown.
1 minute. Actually, my system is not giving. Yeah. Inside that, what we will do that 6 places value.
Curly
I hope
braces. Dollar.
I hope the people are remember, right? So star star star
Yeah.
star I'm giving,
Yeah.
star I'm giving, right? Star I'm giving
6
0 horse, right? 1 minute.
seconds,
0.
hours, minutes, day, week.
Yes. What's happening now? Yeah, my system is today, giving hand to me. Okay. 0 hour, 0 minute, and a 0 second, right? Means what? Midnight.
Yeah, Ravi.
This cron expression
Yes,
about
Ravi.
what is that? 12 o'clock, right? 12 o'clock we want to run, right? 12 o'clock every day, 12 o'clock, right? Midnight. No, 11:59. 11:59 and before 12 o'clock. Between 11:59 and 12. This is the expression about, right? What? Cron expression. This is the cron expression about what? Midnight, if we want to execute our code, refresh our code, right? So for that we are writing this expression now. Good. So fine, now we will change it, guys. Okay, because we can't wait, right, whole night to execute this code now. So this is the syntax I given. We will change it, right? So now anybody remember it, how we can make the request call? Because see this, on the postman, which kind of request we are making? Post type na.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so anybody remember that when I was using in the REST template post for object? So here just a new, I don't know, today's system is how I can write the code. Yeah, new
I
REST
think the build workspace is going.
building
Maybe
work.
because of
Yeah, REST template. REST template. Inside that, what we will do it now?
Post for object.
Yeah, I can write,
Post
but
for object.
I can write it, but the system see this. I don't know why this one is giving this much like class path notification. Something is going on. New REST template for post for object, right?
Yeah, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Post for object. Now this one, okay, this one is taking 3. Okay, so here null. This one is taking 3 argument, right? Response type. Which kind of response type? Let's take string type. String dot class. String dot class. Just here we will not give any request, just give null, right? And here just pass this what? URL. Copy this URL. Perfect. Okay, it will return a string also, na? Just take this one as a what? A string request, right? String request is coming. Okay, so here Just I'm printing that water. Update. Updated keys. Updated keys. Updated keys and plus what? Request, right? Plus request. Sorry, response we are getting na response. Yes, let's make this one as a what? Response. Okay, good. So, but this is the midnight, right? Midnight, this one, this scheduler will work, right? So let's comment this one. We will write about that what? Based on our convenient, right? The scheduler.
Yeah.
So 2:52 p.m. is happening, right?
Yeah, 260 and
Hmm.
3.
My system is I don't know today what's happening inside the system. See this? Yeah. Yes. So 2 p.m. is happening, right? So how we can convert the cron
Yeah.
expression? 12 plus
15.
12 plus 2, right?
Yeah. Give 15, Ravi. It will come 3 o'clock exactly.
No, 1 minute. 14, 55 is happening now. So here we
Yeah,
will
Ravi.
give 14 and 55 now up 58. We will run our what code as what 58, right? 58. 58 and a 0th
Yeah.
second, right? 58 means what? 12. 12 this is what 12 means what 11 12 12 after then 13 14, right? 13 and 14.
Yes.
So 14
Yes.
is it's correct, right? After
Yes,
then
Ravi.
Yes.
after
Yes,
then
Ravi.
what?
Correct.
58, right? 58 means
58
55.
minutes.
After 3 minutes this code will execute, correct?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Exactly.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, now good. So what we will do it now? Just what? Run our again our application. Which one first? Which one we will run it? Eureka server, right?
Data server
Yeah,
config server and application.
Right click, run. Next, which one we will run? Next, which one we will run?
Config
Config server.
Config
server.
server. Oh, imply we are running, right?
Employee, yeah, service server.
Now, which one we will run? 1 minute. Let's stop this one. Which one? First, we need to stop this one. I stopped, right? Then we need to run what?
Eureka server and Eureka.
Then config
Yeah.
server we need to run. Right click. Now, next one we will run our what? Eureka, sorry, employee application.
Microservice. Yes, Ravi.
Then which one we will run our what? Scheduler application. Now right click, run our what?
Scheduler application.
Yes, right click, run scheduler.
Time is a 57, Ravi.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem at all. Time is 2:57.
Yeah, 57 is happening, right? 58. Okay, after 1 minute, let's.
Come on.
We will change it. Okay. My system is what? Too much slow.
Restart once, Ravi.
Hmm?
Okay, Ravi. change the cron expression and re again this
Eclipse also.
Hey, I forgot. We need to write here at the rate enable scheduler also, right? On the top of this one.
Yeah.
I forgot that one. Okay, no issue. We will
Sure.
enable scheduling, right?
yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
59, it's crossed, right? Okay, no issue. We will change it. Again, come here, cron expression. Let's take this one as what? 15, right? 15.
15.5. 15.5.
Let's give 0, 0, right? 50. Okay,
2,
52.
2 we will give at least. Yeah.
Yeah, let's give
2
2.
or 3, Ravi. Okay.
Yeah, 2 is good. Now run the scheduler. Eight zero 8080 already in use, right? Okay, it's saying that already in use.
Already it's running, Ravi. Already
Ah,
it's running.
yes, got it, the point. Which one? Spring Cloud refresh, right? Now stop it. Now run again. Only 2 applications is running. Why this one is not running? Right click, run Spring. My system is too much slow today. I don't know why. One minute. I'll stop again all application.
This time before we start change the time. Ravi.
Yeah, I will directly use 10 in this time. Oh, 10 I'm taking. Only this one in this time. Let's run first. This one I will see the observe the console now. Then yeah, this one is started, right? Good. Okay, this one is started. Now let's run our another applications now, guys. Okay. So first, which one we will run?
Eureka server.
Yeah, Eureka server. Right click, run Eureka server. Send class path notification. How much this one is taking time today? I don't know. Eh, अरे यार. Okay, Eureka server also ready, right? Eureka server, then config server we
Yes,
need to run. We need to run config server. Right click, run config server. Now, next one we need to run what? Our employee project. Copy the same URL here and hit it. Ravi, we are getting now. Come on, guys. Be active
Yes, Ravi,
yourself.
we are getting ready.
Now, in this time
Yes, Ravi.
again, I'm going inside that what? Inside that our Git repository, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah,
Yes,
we'll
Ravi.
update it.
And
Yeah.
here just I'm making as what? Sudhir, right? Now I'm giving the commit changes. I given the commit changes, but 3.5 is happening, right? It's a long time.
We need to 5 minutes wait.
We need to wait, right? We need to wait till 5, till 10, right? We given
Yes,
long time. We given long time. And okay, till now I'm refreshing, right? I'm refreshing. Still we are getting Ravi only, right?
yes,
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, let's wait, right? Let's wait till now.
Ravi,
Change
Eureka
the
is
time
better.
and rerun this application only.
Hmm? Actually,
Change
we
the time and rerun this application only.
yeah, that is also correct. Okay, let's change it. Yeah, this is the, but the problem is what? What is that? Is Spring Cloud, right? 1 minute. We need to first stop it. Now stop.
Ravi, for config server and client, is Eureka is mandatory?
Sorry?
Is Eureka is mandatory for the config and client communication?
Config, yeah, it's mandatory. So just if you want to call like what?
Okay,
No, config server, just if you want, there is no use. There is no use. Just only the usage is there between what? If you are calling the microservices.
No, the thing is that config always we are putting outside of the Eureka, right?
Yeah.
Restrict.
Mm-hmm.
So if
Yeah,
we
Ravi,
just
it's
want to
already
implement the
3.8.
config and config client,
Config
okay.
client.
So
We
Mhm.
need
So
without
for the communication between the config server and
communication between config server and config client.
server and client, yeah.
Hey,
So is it a registry services mandatory there?
config client and config server, right? You are talking about that config server and config client.
Mhm.
Eureka server is mandatory for what?
Yes.
To registering our what? Microservices. Previously it was
Oh,
not mandatory. Previously it was not mandatory, but now it's mandatory in the new year version. Previously, I know that your doubt, but previously it was not mandatory, but in the new version, because on that day we are doing the practical now. Without starting our Eureka server, whenever I'm starting our microservices on the console, I hope you remembered it. We are getting what error.
yes, Ravi.
Yeah,
We
so
are
Yes,
getting it,
in
but
the new
it's
in the new
fast.
in the new year version, right, mandatory, but older version it was not
Mhm.
mandatory because at that time when I was doing the practical at that time without Eureka server also I'm able
Mhm.
to run, but now I'm not able to run it now, so
Okay.
now it's became mandatory. Eureka one.
Mhm. And Ravi, uh, currently we are just discussing the scheduling approach to refresh our context. But what if we just want to refresh the context and let's say we have the 50 plus services? So is there a
Wait,
centralized way
wait,
to do
wait,
that?
wait, wait, right? Future concept don't discuss. Current
Okay,
discussion,
fine, fine.
whatever current discussion is going on, if any doubt is there, let me know that. I will clarify
No,
your doubt.
actually,
Because wait, right? If you
no, because of this coding, I just got that out. That's why I asked.
yeah, don't worry, right? Your doubt will clear. But the thing is,
Okay, sure. Thank you.
between talking to you, see, 310 is happening now, and the like our time is
Yeah,
exceeded.
time is went out.
So
Modify to 12.
if you
Modify to 12.
if you make me busy with what the time, then how I can show that practical? Just give me some time, after then we
Oh,
will
sorry, Ravi.
discuss it. We will discuss it.
Sure, sure, please. Sorry for interrupt.
No, actually the system also today not giving right what like it's processing also too much slow today. I don't know why. Whenever I'm clicking, it's not giving the response. Spring Cloud, Eureka, Spring Cloud, this one. Okay, now run. Hey, what is this? How much time it will take, yeah, to run the application? One is small application and it's taking too much time. Only 3 application is running. Even I run that application, but still this one is not coming. Guys, can I stop our Eclipse once and can I open it, because it's today I don't know, after clicking this much time it's taking,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, okay, Ravi, fine.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
yeah,
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 we can.
yeah, because this one is taking much time. I don't know, even all application also not running properly.
Yeah, we'll see if Eclipse restart works, or else we can restart also. We'll rejoin also if you want.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'll check it.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay. So now let's change it, right? The time again, we will change it. Okay, so 12, let's take 16. Now in this time, let's take what, 16. Now I'm running this application. Again, we need to run our what? Eureka server.
Eureka server, config server.
Config server, Eureka server, and application.
Now we will run
Config server.
config server. Now we will run our what? Microservices. Now Ravi is there, right? And in that here also Ravi on no, Sudhir is there. Now in this time reflection we will get, guys. Okay, reflection, just what I'm doing now, just I'm changing this one as what again. Anyone name, give me Padma. Okay, so just I committed, right? Committed changes. I committed changes, right? Sudhir is coming, right? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Sudhir is
Yeah.
coming. Okay, now Sudhir is coming now.
Sudhir is.
And in our what Git, what is that? Padma is there, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. Padma
Okay,
is there.
now our code will refresh, right? As scheduler will 15 now, after 1 minute it will work.
1 minute. Yes, Ravi.
Just see this, I'm refreshing just what Sudhir only getting, but in the Git Padma is there. The key is not reflecting now. Wait.
Wait 1 minute.
Yeah, something error is coming. It's a
Yeah.
refresh.
It's coming, Ravi.
Something
Oh,
STT.
yeah.
Oh, it's asking, whatever method we called, that method is asking about that what HTTP method in the rest. Okay, no issue, guys. Okay, just we need to change this code only na. So some modification I'm doing, right? I hope the people are remember when I was using, right? Here we used, right, what null na. This one asking what body, also some JSON data it's asking. Don't worry about that, because
Yeah.
this JSON data, it's asking about this one, right? This one, this is the JSON data na. Come on, it's returning. Come on, yaar.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
so just what I'm doing some modification
Right.
here. I'm adding header and a body also, right? http header, right? http header, http headers,
Header.
header equal to new header, right? New http
New HTTP header.
new http header. Okay, just blank header. We need to add some content type, right? So header,
Set content
yeah, very
type.
good. Set content type. Set content type. Inside that, just application media type, right? Media type.
Media type.